Adding a calendar to a Confluence page is a great way to organize events, deadlines, and schedules for your team. Here's how to do it. Open your Confluence page. Navigate to the page where you want to add the calendar. You can either edit an existing page by clicking the Edit button or create a new page. Insert the Team Calendar macro. In the editor, type / to open the macro menu. Start typing calendar and select the Team Calendar option from the list. This will insert the calendar macro into your page. Configure the calendar. Once the macro is added, you can configure it. Click on the calendar to access its settings. Here, you can choose which calendar to display, set the view mode, and select specific events to show. Save your changes. After configuring the calendar, click Save or Publish to apply your changes. The calendar will now be visible on your page. Interact with the calendar. Team members can interact with calendar to view events, add new ones, or click on dates to get more details.